How critical is it to grasp the basic concepts of accounting? To answer that, consider this. Understanding these concepts is like having a map when navigating the intricate world of finance. Without this understanding, you might find yourself lost in a sea of numbers and terms. So, today we're going to delve into some fundamental accounting concepts. Let's start with double entry accounting. Picture this as a seesaw. On one side, you have a debit, and on the other, a credit. Every transaction affects at least two accounts, ensuring the seesaw or the accounting equation remains balanced. Speaking of the accounting equation, it tells us that a company's assets must always equal the sum of its liabilities and equity. This equation is the foundation for understanding a company's financial position. Think of it as the key that unlocks the financial story of a business. Now let's break down the terms in the accounting equation. Assets are resources owned or controlled by a company, like cash or equipment. Liabilities, on the other hand, are what a company owes to others, such as loans or accounts payable. Equity represents the ownership interest in a company. It's what's left over when you subtract liabilities from assets. Moving on to revenue and expenses. Revenue is the income a company earns from its primary business activities. It's the financial fuel that powers a business. Expenses, meanwhile, are the costs a company incurs to generate that revenue, like salaries or rent. Then we have the financial statements. These are formal records that provide a snapshot of a company's financial activities and position. Picture them as the chapters of a company's financial story, each revealing a different aspect. Lastly, we have accrual and cash basis accounting. Accrual basis accounting is like a movie. It captures the entire story, recognizing revenues and expenses when they are earned or incurred. Cash basis accounting, in contrast, is like a photograph. It captures a moment, recognizing revenues and expenses only when cash changes hands. In a nutshell, these fundamental accounting concepts are the building blocks for understanding financial information. They help in interpreting financial data, making informed business decisions, and communicating effectively with stakeholders. So next time you see a balance sheet or an income statement, remember these concepts. They are your map to navigate the intricate world of finance.